What's up, drivers? Smile up, man. Listen, I get this question asked a lot, often, lately, from a lot of new drivers. What time should I leave? What time should I leave? I'm gonna give you 3 times, all right? I'm gonna give you 3 times you should leave, all right? If you like the morning shift, get up at 4 in the morning. If you're not getting any rides, get up at 4 in the morning, okay? You are guaranteed to get rides between 4 o'clock and let's say 9 o'clock, okay? So you want to get up at 4 in the morning, prepare yourself, get ready to get out there. Definitely between 4 or 5 in the morning. 4, you get like some late night workers or some late night partiers, but I like getting those in the morning if I do work the morning because it gets me out there. Sooner or later, you will get an airport run. Definitely Monday morning, all right? That's the crucial time when to cut on at 4 in the morning is a Monday. All right, another time is around 4 or 5 in the afternoon. If you're not getting any rides and you do not like the morning, 4 or 5 in the afternoon is definitely when you can get some rides. Me, that's my time. I do afternoon to night. Now, I don't like the traffic, but I get out there just so I can get the power drive bonus on Lyft. And in Atlanta, between Monday and Wednesday, is 5 o'clock. So I leave at 5 o'clock on the dot in the afternoon. And Thursday is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Friday is at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So I leave those times in the afternoon. Also, if I hit my quota by Saturday night and I'm chilling at home and I'm up, I go to the clubs at 2 a.m. and I'll work between 2 till about 3:30. And if I do go there at 2 a.m., it must be a prime or a surge unless I'm not taking a ride. All right, so those are 3 good times for you. And a tip, where to start at is your house. Unless, of course, you go in to the bar at 2 in the morning. But the biggest tip is to start at your house, all right? Now, sometime when I do leave 4 in the morning, I prepare myself. I have my car heated already. I went down there and I got my car heated. I'm dressed. I'm ready to go. As soon as that app go off, I'm ready to go out the door, all right? So, but sometime I'm sitting in the house. I'm sitting in the house for like 15, 20 minutes because in the morning, you know, it'll be rides all the way to 30 minutes away, which I'm not going. And I'll probably get like 3 of those before I even can get out the door. So I always start at home, even if I'm waiting there for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. You know, I'm starting at home. I'm not leaving my house going looking for no ride. I'm gonna wait at home, man. And that's a good tip for you. And I'm gonna be out there because the money's out there. That's why we out there. Be safe.
Terry Tips. Stay tuned to Terry Tips.